Hello, happy Tuesday. I just wanted to let you guys know that I have posted some AP practice material and information for you guys on your Google Classroom. If you are taking the AP exam in May, the requirements and the way in which you're going to take the exam has changed due to the coronavirus. This only applies to you if you've already signed up for the exam. I don't know if you can get into any AP practice that I posted unless you already have an account with College Board. If you do, you'll click on the links that are provided in the most recent post I made on your Google Classroom. And as I stated, starting tomorrow, March 25th, they're going to post practice videos and lectures concerning various topics within AppLit. But I believe they're doing this for every single subject. So if you're not taking the AppLit exam, but you're taking APES or AP Psych or whatever, you should be able to get in a College Board, and they should have those videos posted for each subject and review materials posted for each subject starting tomorrow. Plus, you can read all the new information about how you're going to take the exam, because it doesn't just apply to AppLit, it's any and all AP exams because of the day and age in which we're living, this dystopian novel that we're writing right now that's so wonderful. Also, as a reminder, I wanted to let you guys know that remember today at 11, I am going to post the sign-up sheet for your book club. It will be up from 11 until 1. I will close it then. You may not add rows. You may not erase people's names. I can see who has manipulated the document when, and so I'll know who has done that. So please don't do that, Canon. Okay, now, once you guys have done that, if I have any one-offs, I will get in touch with that student and let you know. So again, if you have friends who are at work or unavailable today between 11 and 1 to do this, make sure you talk to those friends, shoot them a text or something, and especially those who don't have internet access through their computer, if they're picking up packets from school, call them, text them, whatever, and see what they want to work on with you and put their name down, all right? Also, if you are interested in doing a Zoom, like we did yesterday, a Zoom meeting or Zoom conference, where you have any questions about this week's assignment or the book club, I will do another one of those today at 1:15, only if people are interested. So I need you to shoot me either an email, or easier would be just text me through Remind and say, Ms. Cox, I'm interested. If you are, then I will have one at 1:15, and I will send out through the Remind the ID, but I think the ID is going to always be the same like it was yesterday, but I'll send out a reminder, okay? So again, to go over the three things that are your focus today: the AP materials for those of you who are taking the AP exam. The book club materials will be uploaded, the sign-up sheet will be uploaded at 11, and it will be open from 11 to 1 p.m. I will close it at 1 p.m. And 3, if you are interested in a Zoom with me question and answer session, I will do that at 1:15, but you must send me a text to remind or an email to tell me that you are interested. Otherwise, I'll be in other meetings that I can set up with Mr. Davidson so he and I can go over things, or with my E4 team, or with my literacy specialist at central office, okay? So please let me know. You guys are my first priority. I'll schedule all other meetings around you, but you need to let me know, okay? Happy Tuesday.